Hello friends, you are watching Master Mechanic YouTube channel. In this video we learn about, explain the necessity of valve clearance. Necessity of valve clearance in internal combustion engines. Valve clearance, also known as valve lash, is the small gap between the valve stem and the rocker arm or camshaft that controls the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. This gap is essential for the proper functioning of the engine and the longevity of the valve train components. Here's a detailed explanation of why valve clearance is necessary. Prevents engine damage. Prevents valve to piston contact. One of the most critical reasons for maintaining valve clearance is to avoid valve to piston contact. If there is insufficient clearance, the valve may not fully close or could collide with the piston during the compression or exhaust stroke. This can lead to severe engine damage, including bent valves, damaged pistons, and a completely ruined engine. Protects the valve train. By setting the proper valve clearance, the engine is protected from situations where the moving parts could interfere with one another, thereby ensuring the long-term health and efficiency of the engine components. Helps in proper valve sealing. Valve seal integrity. If the clearance is too small, the valve may remain in contact with the valve seat for longer than it should. This can result in poor sealing, where the valve does not close completely, causing air and fuel leakage into the exhaust or intake manifold. Seated valves. Correct valve clearance ensures that the valve fully opens and closes, providing a proper seal between the valve and the seat. This prevents blow-by exhaust gases escaping, which improves combustion efficiency and reduces emissions. Prevents valve train noise. Unwanted noise. If the valve clearance is too tight, the engine may develop valve train noise or tapping sounds, often referred to as valve lash. This is because the components of the valve train are making constant contact, leading to increased friction and noise. Smooth operation. Correct valve clearance ensures smooth, silent operation of the engine's valve train by allowing the components to move freely without excessive friction. This reduces wear on components and minimizes noise, contributing to a quieter and more efficient engine. Ensures proper valve timing. Valve timing and engine efficiency. The precise timing of when the valves open and close in relation to the piston position is critical for efficient combustion. If the valve clearance is incorrect, it can cause issues with the timing of the valve opening and closing. Too much clearance. If the clearance is too large, the valve may not fully open or close at the right time, which can cause poor engine performance, misfires, or inefficient combustion. Too little clearance. If the clearance is too small, it could cause the valve to stay slightly open when it should be closed, or cause the valve to hit the piston, leading to engine knocking, reduced power, and potential valve damage. Accurate clearance for precision. Proper valve clearance ensures that the valves open and close at the correct times, optimizing combustion efficiency, power output, and fuel economy. Compensation for wear and tear. Valve train wear. Over time, the moving parts of the engine, especially in the valve train, undergo wear. The camshaft lobes, rocker arms, and valve stems all experience friction during operation, leading to gradual wear. If the clearance isn't adjusted to compensate for this wear, parts can make direct contact, causing excessive heat and wear on the components. Prevents damage. Maintaining the proper valve clearance allows for the compensation of this wear, ensuring the engine continues to run smoothly and avoiding damage due to excessive tightness or misalignment. Thermal expansion of engine components. Temperature changes. When an engine operates, it undergoes significant changes in temperature due to the combustion process. The engine's components, including the valves, rocker arms, and camshaft, expand as they heat up. Thermal expansion effect. If the valve clearance is too small or non-existent, the expansion of the engine components could cause the valve to stay in contact with the valve seat. This can result in poor sealing, valve burn, and even permanent damage to the engine components. Necessary gap. Valve clearance ensures that the valves have enough room to expand when they heat up, preventing them from staying partially open or being subjected to excessive pressure. This gap compensates for thermal expansion during engine operation. Maintenance and adjustment. Regular adjustment. Engine components such as the valve train may naturally wear over time, causing changes in valve clearance. This is especially important in older engines. In many engines, especially in overhead valve, OHV, or overhead cam, OHC, designs, Valve clearance is adjustable and should be checked periodically to ensure proper operation. Different engine designs. Some engines require frequent adjustments, while others may be designed to have self-adjusting mechanisms, e.g., hydraulic lifters, to maintain valve clearance automatically. Optimizes engine performance. Improved combustion. The proper valve clearance ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the correct times during the intake, compression, power, and exhaust strokes. This helps to maximize the air-fuel mixture entering the cylinder and ensures that exhaust gases are properly expelled. Performance impact. Incorrect valve clearance can lead to decreased compression if the valves don't close properly, reducing power and fuel efficiency. Increased exhaust temperatures if the exhaust valve stays open too long. Poor idle stability and misfires, which impact overall engine performance. Maximized power output. Proper valve timing and clearance ensure that the engine produces its maximum power output, leading to better throttle response, smoother acceleration, and more consistent operation. Conclusion. Valve clearance plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation, efficiency, and longevity of an internal combustion engine. It allows for proper thermal expansion of engine components, compensates for wear and tear, maintains precise valve timing, prevents noise, ensures valve sealing, and avoids engine damage. Correct valve clearance is essential for optimized engine performance, fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Therefore, maintaining proper valve clearance is a fundamental part of routine engine maintenance and is key to ensuring the engine runs at its best. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.